I'm shocked TikTok you're still here, but Anyway, let's get into this food review. You see in the background, I am going to be reviewing the big box meal, spicy chicken sandwich, French fries, and the chicken nuggets. I've always had KFC for a very long time, but when I found out about the big box meal, the big box meal, joy. 3-piece. They had a 3-piece chicken meal. And this meal too. And I can't, and also, oh, shit, now I remember. It was the chicken tender meal. All I have to say, that's on my new meal craze. Even though, somebody else got the 8-piece with your family member, but I'm not gonna say the name, but this is gonna be delicious. And I know that for a fact, because KFC has to be my favorite place. Not the favorite place for a biscuit, but that's church chicken. But let's dig into this. Now, right off the bat, French fries are good. I remember back in the day, KFC, they had the wedges, and those wedges were good, delicious. But now, ever since I had these fries, they started to get saltier, but I got them. They're not even salty no more. It just seemed like the fries I used to get at Captain D's. Now, if you ever went to Captain D's, you know how Captain D gets down. Pause. No. But the fries, they're good. But on to the next one. Let's try these chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets, small little ones, It seem like they just chopped up the meat, made into little small chunks, put in the fry. But I mess with the bowl. And last but not least, the spicy chicken sandwich, nice and hot, you know. Big as shit, just like the Popeyes. Might not even be better than the Popeyes, because I remember when that crap came out, everybody and their mom was getting it, you know. Motherfuckers even died over it. Sucks, but life goes on. But let's try this. Mm. Tastes like how a chicken sandwich is supposed to taste. Good, spicy. It's not like, Nashville hot spicy. But it's a meal that can, it can fill you up. If you took it for lunch or even ate it for, dinner. Um, a nice big chunk of chicken. I have to agree that this is the big box meal. Ever since I found a big box meal, I fell in love with it. I just completely loved it. It was a good price. All the meals are good, especially that 3-piece chicken meal with the 2 thighs, and 1 leg. Smart idea. Same as the 5-piece tender. You get all this as the chicken sandwich, the fries, the nuggets. Smart, very smart, KFC. Smart, very smart. But that cheeser, I love that. I wouldn't buy that because that shit look like it could give you a heart attack or even worse, take you to the bathroom. But anyways, I give this a 10 out of 10, and not because I'm black and I like fried food, but it is a delicious food for everything, to the nuggets, to the fries, to the sandwich. It is delicious, 10 out of 10. Make sure y'all sub to my YouTube channel, Jamarkushall, my Instagram, Jamarkushall, my Rich Account model page, Jamarkushall, and my second Instagram account, Jamarcus, the artist, and my Snapchat, Jamarkushall, 731, Jamarkushall 731, and email me for some videos that you guys want me to do, which is halljamarcus at Yahoo. Y'all stay blessed. This is the Ish, and peace.